World's top 5 largest waterfalls. 5. Puer Falls. Location, border between Argentina and Brazil. Puer Falls comprises 275 distinct waterfalls in a horseshoe formation, with a total span of 1.7 miles of flowing cascades, creating a stunning and awe-inspiring natural spectacle. 4. Comfathan Falls. Location, Gabon, Central Africa. Comfathan Falls, also known as Chutes Conga, is a massive cataract approximately 3.2 kilometers or 2.0 miles wide and up to 56 meters or 184 feet tall, located in Ivindo National Park, eastern Gabon. 3. Puer Falls. Location, border between Paraguay and Brazil. The total span of the former Puer Falls, also known as Saltos del Puera, was approximately 1,500 meters, 4,920 feet before it was submerged by the construction of the Itapu Dam. 2. Puer Falls. Location, Bolivar, Venezuela. The Puer Falls mark the boundary between the upper and lower sections of the river, situated 210 kilometers or 130 miles, upstream from the confluence of the Cora and Orinoco rivers. 1. Comfathan Falls. Location, Mekong River, Laos. Comfathan Falls, located in Laos on the Mekong River, is the largest waterfall in Southeast Asia and has a total span of approximately 10.7 kilometers or 6.6 miles. Thank you for watching.